everyone. Welcome to It's Greek to Me. It's Julia. Thank you so much to my beautiful subscribers and to all your beautiful comments. If you're new to the channel, I'm teaching you about the Greek Mediterranean cuisine and a lot of my favorite recipes. And I hope you enjoy them. Make sure to subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and let me know what you think. Okay, so this one is going to be, are you just tired of eating the same scrambled eggs all the time? I'm going to teach you how we do it here in Greece, okay? And maybe you'll enjoy these a little bit better. It gives you a lot of flavor. And I think my men will like this a lot. Okay, it's easy, it's fresh, it's nice, it's tasty. All right, so let's get this skillet warmed up while we are preparing here. I'll put it, on medium heat. All right, while the skillet is heating up, we're just going to put a little bit of oil in here, okay? Too much, just like as much as you want me to do, and we'll just move this around, right? I'll set this aside right now. Okay, so what we want is one small onion. Okay, love you guys. I hope it's doing great. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to cut and peel the onion. And what we want to do is I'm going to make it so that it's not too much, right? Just enough to give it a nice little boost, right? And some flavor here. So I'm just using a little onion like this. I'm going to make really thin sliced rings. Can you see me doing that? No, you can't. I'll show you. It's just really small little rings of onion. So we just want it really, really thin. We don't want big chunks, right? I'll tell you what it's like after I'm done. Sorry for the noise, but I'm chopping. So we've got like these really thin ring-sized pieces. I'm going to add them into the bowl. And then you can break as many eggs as you want. I'm going to use 3. All right. So here we go. Second one. Now at this point, right, because we're almost there, we're going to put that skillet. Oh, no, I'll wait till I cut the tomato. Okay. So you're going to need 1 tomato. And look how beautiful and juicy this is, right? So we're just going to cut it in thin pieces and add it to our egg. Probably won't need the whole tomato. If you really like tomatoes, then add the whole thing too, right? I'm just going to use like half. Throwing it in there. Some salt to your taste, right? I can't tell you how much salt you're going to put. It's depending how you like it to be. Just going to sprinkle salt in there. Hold on. There we go. Making it a bigger opening here. Okay, so salt, pepper to taste. We're just going to take a fork, right? And gently beat the egg. Kind of whisk them, right? That's the proper terminology. You can use a whisk. I could use the fork, it's easier. Okay, sir. So I'm going to put the skillet on the fire right now. Let that oil heat up. What we're going to do is we're just going to toss it all in, right? You don't have to touch it, just leave it alone until you see the egg turn white. And then we'll just start flipping it around. I hope you can see that. Yeah, you can. Good. Just move this out of the way. This is going to be a short, easy video. I just know that everybody's just tired of eating the same scrambled eggs all the time. And I thought you could see how we make our scrambled eggs here in Greece, right? Now you can always add more pepper and salt if you want to. So we're just going to let this do its thing while I'm talking to you, right? I will be putting up another 2 videos today, probably hummus and stuffed peppers with roasted potatoes in the oven for you to learn how to do. And those you can always make I can't talk today. You can make them ahead of time and actually put them in the freezer and cook them up whenever you want as well. And if you do go to your grocery store and they have beautiful peppers or tomatoes, you can clean those, right? You can cut off the tops, clean them out, put the tops back on, and put them in a Ziploc bag and have them in the freezer ready to go for whenever you want to make stuffed tomatoes or peppers or even zucchini. Nothing will happen to them. Zucchini you'll probably have to blanch first, though, okay, for a couple of minutes before you. So our eggs are cooking up. I don't know if you can show you. See how they're starting to turn white right now? So we're just going to let that cook up, and then we'll just flip it and we'll have it ready to go. It's just, because things get boring after a while, right? It just gives it a nice flavor, a nice taste, gives it a boost, right? It's healthy and it's good for you. Now you also may want to crumble some feta cheese in there as well. Not everybody likes cheese, but that way you can eliminate the salt and just use feta cheese in there, which is also very nice. Some people like to also add a little bit of garlic in here as well. So here we go. So you can see, right, how the egg is cooking up there. We're just going to take it from the outer edges and push it in. Now, when they're done, I usually like to just top it with a little bit of pepper again. You can also add some, if you like it a little spicier, you can put K9 on it, and K9, Cayenne, I can't talk with it, or even some paprika. But I think it's pretty nice just the way it is, to be honest with you. So I'm going to try to bring that more to the center of the pan so you can see what's going on. It's almost done. But the tomatoes give it a really nice flavor, so with the onion, just good. So this is Mediterranean, scrambled eggs. I think we're almost there. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe to the channel, right? So that you can enjoy all the recipes that I will be putting up for you, from desserts to breads to breakfast meals to sweets to main dishes to salads, dips, appetizers. All right, so I think we're ready. So let's just plop this on a plate, and then you can see if it looks like it. Scrambled eggs. I'm going to top it with a little bit more pepper on top, right? Because I like it that way. And I hope you enjoy these, right? Try something new for breakfast now. All right. So that's what I've got for you. It's a simple recipe, right? Fast video. But it's just turning you on to something new. All right. I love you all. Thank you so much for being here. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.